So, update on the reno. I just pulled the stove out. 5 months ago that was clean. You know what a bitch it was to get this stove out because it was tucked right in there and there was so much falling down the side. Like, and then look at the wall. 5 months ago that was painted. Fresh paint. And look at the thing, this I broke. So, kind of an update. The living room's been repainted. Kitchen's being repainted now, that horrible mess. There's a new piece going in here. The kitchen just got, I'm doing it now. I just pulled the stove out so that I could do in behind there. Unbelievable. What a fucking pig. That's all I can say. So we move on here. And here's all the new flooring. I'm going to tile this, and that ends that. This wall was rotted out at the bottom, so, and halfway up, so wall is being rebuilt. Carpet's all ripped out, all damage to the walls. Took this closet right out. You can see where it was. Looks like took the other closet out too. And after the kitchen has come down here and repaint the hallway. I could not believe when I pulled the stove out and found this. It was just wedged in there tight. It was just a bitch to get out. But it's looking a lot nicer now. Starting to. After today, the kitchen should be done in the hallway, and then I'll start tiling in the. As soon as he's got those couple walls put up and out of the bathroom, so nobody goes in there, then I can go in and tile. So the renters from hell. Caitlin Steves and Jason Pittman, never rent to them two fucking clowns. They just don't give a fucking rat's ass. And they'll destroy everything. They don't care. No pride. So I can see how it's going to go for them. Every 6 months a new place. At what point are you ever going to grow up and get tired of that and realize you can't do this shit? Grow up, for fuck's sake. You couple of clowns. Get a life. You got 3 kids. Fucking sad.